Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Toon Cup. Toon Cup is an exciting, fast-paced soccer game where your main objective is to score as many goals as possible against your opponent within a set time. On a computer, you'll use the arrow keys or WASD to move your players, the spacebar to pass the ball, and the Z key to shoot. If you're playing on a mobile device, simply use the on-screen joystick for movement and tap the designated buttons for actions like passing, shooting, or tackling. Next, let's talk about assembling your dream team. You'll select a captain and 2 additional players from a wide array of beloved Cartoon Network characters. Each character brings unique strengths to the field, excelling in areas like speed, shooting power, or tackling ability. It's crucial to create a balanced team, combining different skills to effectively counter your opponents and dominate the pitch. Now, let's dive into the exciting gameplay. Your primary goal is to score by getting the ball into your opponent's net, while also defending your own. Keep an eye out for special power-ups that appear as small blue boxes on the field. Running over these can give you temporary boosts, like freezing opponents, shrinking them, or providing a protective shield, turning the tide of the match in your favor. To truly become a Toon Cup champion, consistent practice is key to honing your skills and reflexes. Strategic passing is vital. Look for open teammates to create better scoring opportunities. Remember to collect coins, which you earn by scoring goals and winning matches. These coins are essential for unlocking new characters, allowing you to further customize and strengthen your team for future tournaments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.